Okay, guys, hi everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna be playing a game, or actually, never mind about a game. I'm gonna be showing you my avatar. Or actually, never mind. I'm gonna play this game. Okay, perfect. What's that girl doing in the... Maybe I should tell her. Maybe I should tell her. She's so slow. Oh, never mind. Wow, I have so much honeys. Okay, let me sell it. Oh, we get 14 million. Maybe I should buy this one. It's never on stock. What about the tulips? Yeah, it's never in stock. I should go back to my beehive. Plant this daisy seed. Maybe I should remove some daisy seeds that are bad because, like, they have barely any room left. These are all like not coming because there's no room left. No? That's a daisy 3 times. What do I want that daisy? I'm gonna add 3 of these. Some of these are big. I think that's gonna be a huge one. Depends. How's it gonna go? Doesn't seem like it's gonna be a one. Oh yeah, it's not. Oh. Never mind. Still have to. I guess I'm gonna give this back. Or maybe I should put this sunflower seed right there. Nice. Oh, one more. Thing over. Here then. That there. Even there's just a problem. Their honey. I get 100. Oh, I got 120. Nice. Perfect. Now I just gotta buy bamboo. It's true. How is it not installed? You know what? I'm just gonna put bamboo. I guess for now. bigger than that one. So maybe. Look how big this is. Oh god. This thing didn't even harvest yet. What's the problem with this thing? Didn't even harvest. Are you this crazy? Oh god, this thing hasn't even harvested one piece yet. I'm just gonna go somewhere else. I should grab these. Ooh, perfect. Okay guys, if you had a good time, make sure to like and subscribe